Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view your Google Maps search history. This is a really useful feature if you want to revisit places you've looked up before or track your past searches. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all your mapping features and search data. Once the page loads, you'll want to look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the menu icon typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that menu icon to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, locate and click on your data in Maps. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and review all the data associated with your Google Maps usage, including your search history and location information. When you click this option, it will open a new tab in your browser. Give it a moment to load completely before moving forward. Once the new tab has loaded, you'll need to scroll down through the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for a section labeled Web and App Activity. This is where Google stores your search history across various Google services, including Maps. When you find this section, you'll see an option that says See and Delete Activity. Click on this to proceed to the next step. After clicking, you'll be taken to a page that displays your complete search history. Here you can see all the searches you've made on Google Maps, listed chronologically. This gives you a comprehensive view of every location you've looked up, making it easy to find places you've searched for in the past. Now, if you want to narrow down your search or find something specific, Google provides some helpful filtering options. You can click on the calendar icon to filter your search history by date. This is particularly useful if you're trying to remember a place you searched for during a specific time period. Simply select the date range you're interested in, and the page will update to show only the searches from that period. Additionally, you can use the search icon to search through your history directly. This allows you to type in keywords or location names to quickly find specific entries without having to scroll through everything manually. And that's it. You've now accessed your Google Maps search history and learned how to filter and search through it effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.